We're back. Not sure if you can hear that, but my chair has all of a sudden become extremely squeaky. Yeah, we're back. How are we all doing? Hope you had a good week. I'd be lying if I said that this wasn't an easy week. Probably been one of the weirdest weeks of my life so far. I went from one stage from contemplating and very close to leaving my job I've currently got to then not. And then, yeah, it's just been back and forth the whole time. But I'm here. I'm surviving. We're still going forward with everything at the moment. Still plan to leave summer of 2025 to go all in on the agency then. I'd be lying if I said like this has been easy this week. It's been really, really tough. There are points this week where I've hit rock bottom. And I think that's the case with any business owner. You're going to get to a stage where you do hit a stage where you don't enjoy it, or not so much that you don't enjoy it, more there's just having so many setbacks. That's what makes or breaks you as a person. Is you've just got to persevere and get through it. The world owes you nothing. You've just got to endure as much pain as possible. The more pain you have temporarily, in the long term, the less pain you will have. So I'm not actually seeing, so far from my SMMA journey and where I'm at now, I'm not actually seeing as many results as what I would like to with my agency. And to be honest with you, that is literally just down to me. I'm being really lazy on outreach, and because I'm being lazy with outreach, I've decided to take action on that a little bit. I've joined an accountability group. If you don't know what that is, essentially what it is you have a video call once a week where you say you're setting your goals to be this, and then you come back a week later. If you haven't hit those goals, then you discuss with the group why you haven't hit them, and then put action plans in place so then you can keep improving. That's what I'm doing because I know I need to up my game, in all honesty. I've been really, really lazy with outreach. I've tried to refine all these things with my agency, but in all honesty, like realistically, I just need to get more clients. I had a sales call this week. That's still in process right now. Potentially could be another client on the list, but we'll wait and see for that. And I'll let you know about that next week. But for now, the main thing for me is upping my outreach as much as possible. The next step really from here, I know I said last week I was learning about how to appointment set. Well, what have I done this week to make sure that I've done that? I've learned a lot from Charlie Morgan's videos. I've learned a lot from Jordan Platten's videos as well about how to appointment set. If you haven't, go and watch both of those guys. Massive help in the SMMA niche for agency owners. So helpful. Essentially, I've learned how to appointment set. It's not as complicated as what I thought it was. I thought it'd be a really complex process. Really, really simple. I'm looking at also learning how to use Go High Level. I currently do not have Go High Level, but that is definitely a platform I know I am going to invest in. So why waste the time of not doing it? Go and invest into it and learn the systems, learn the processes, learn the appointment setting process, and put that inside Go High Level, which is going to make my life a lot easier as an agency owner. So where am I at with my agency right now? So I've actually started producing a ton of content on all of these different platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, as I'm sure you're probably aware if you're a subscriber at the moment. You've seen all of the content that's coming out daily. And then on top of that as well, I'm posting on LinkedIn and Facebook. So like, I'm trying to cover as many platforms as possible. I'm not going in with the mindset with this content that it's just going to bring me instantly new clients. But in the long term, if I'm recording content now, then I know I'm only going to get better in front of a camera. Right now, my presence on camera, I'll be honest with you guys, is awful. Like, it's not where I want it to be. But that's the same with a lot of things in life. And you just got to take action on the stuff and just do it. If you're sat there right now and you're watching this video and you're contemplating doing something, I'm telling you right now, you need to just stop watching this video. I'm not bothered about you watching this video. Like, to me, what's more important is that you, behind the camera, stop what you're doing and go and take action, whether that's going to the gym, whether that's starting an agency or researching how to start an agency. You need to do something to progress. You can't just sit and learn. You've got to take action as well. There's a balance to that. Don't get me wrong. It's really important to learn new things. If I didn't learn all of this stuff, I wouldn't know what the hell I'm doing. But that's one thing that I will say is take action. I've got a few sales calls this week as well, so we'll see how those goes. I'm trying to refine my sales pitch process, trying to get more confident at sales and understanding sales and bridging the gap between a fantastic book if you're trying to get better at sales as well. It's called Gap Selling. I'm reading all about that at the moment, just trying to get better at sales so I can close more sales calls and get more clients on board. And then, yeah, I'll be honest, I'm struggling to create like a routine at the moment with my sleep schedule. Some days I'm staying up really late to do work and then getting up late. Some days I'm going to bed. Well, I'd be lying if I said I went to bed early because I just don't. Like, I work till midnight most nights, if not 1 o'clock in the morning, and then I'm up at like 7. So I think the thing for me is creating a sleep schedule, because something to do with help with that, like I said before, is the accountability call. Also, I've got a coach as well at the moment, or a mentor, that I've purposely booked calls with him and with the accountability group for 6 a.m. in the morning. He's over in Thailand at the moment, so I'm not sure what the equivalent time is for that. But essentially from there, what I am doing is I am making sure that I'm going to be on time to those calls. So I purposely set them up early in the morning, so I have to get up. And And so I'm going to make sure that I'm there. Therefore, I need to be accountable and disciplined enough to make sure that I'm getting a good 7-8 hours sleep every night. So I have one action step for this week, one and one only. Up my outreach so that I get 10 client meetings this week. That's 10 new client meetings. Whether they turn into sales or even sales calls, we'll see. But 10 client meetings. That's the goal for this week. Have an awesome week, guys, and remember, take action.